everyone, and welcome to my channel. Welcome, 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 welcome all. I am Mareisa Marshall, and in today's video I'll be making rosemary oil for hair. So let's go to my garden and let's do some picking of some rosemary leaf. Yep. So this is my rosemary tree, beautiful, and this is my pan, and I'll be cutting some of the leaves. This rosemary tree usually like spread, so I usually like cut off like the end piece of the rose. It smells so good. As soon as you touch this rosemary tree, you smell up the whole place with this scent, and it smells so amazing. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my rosemary leaves very clean, because we don't want any sun or anything like that in our oil. And there's different ways of doing this oil. There's different way of infusing this oil, but I'm going to show you the way that I usually do it, and it usually works fine. I recently doing this in my hair, and it's really doing an amazing job. Also, my daughter here and her hair is very thick, so this oil that I'm going to do, it helps to thicken hair. So if you have thin hair, you take your rosemary oil and you spray it and massage it into your skull. It's also good for the growth of your hair. It have many benefits for this, so you guys can look it up or Google it up. Look it up on YouTube or Google for some information. But I'm just showing you guys how I go about making this oil and how it works for me. The next thing I usually do is put a plastic bag outside, or sometimes I usually use a deep bowl, and I put my rosemary leaf on top of it so they will dry in the sun. I have to get a stone and hold on this. I usually hold it down sometimes with a stone because the wind usually be blowing like very strongly. So there is my rosemary leaf drying in the sun. I'm gonna leave it out here for about like 5 hours or more until they are all dry. The purpose of me putting them out is to get the water out of the rosemary, because you don't want water inside of your rosemary oil. So the next thing you want to do is, after your rosemary is dried, sorry, is you're gonna pluck off the leaves. You can do it two different ways. You can just put this down inside of the bottle with the stalks, or you can do it this way. So there goes. After I pluck them, if you pour water inside of your rosemary oil, the oil will rank and it will smell funny. So always make sure that your rosemary leaves are dry. So I'm going to plug my leaves inside of this container. Why I'm saying pluck? I'm going to put my leaf inside of this container. So the oil that I'll be using is the pumice oil, olive oil, or sometimes I usually use coconut oil. If I'm gonna heat the oil, you could use any other oil. But when I'm gonna do it like this here, for the hair purpose, I usually pour it this way, and then you're gonna pour in your oil and make sure your oil is above the rosemary leaves. Like that. Then I'm going to cover it down, and I usually leave this oil for 2 months before using. So I usually, like, every 3 days I usually go and like just shake up my oil, like wake it up. And this is another set of oil that I set in this bottle, another rosemary oil, but this one I leave the STALK and everything inside of it. And this oil been here about like 2 weeks now since I set it, this oil. Let me throw out some and see how the color so far. After it's been 2 months, the oil usually look like green. And you can do other things with this oil different than green. And you can do different thing with this oil different than. So I'm gonna pour out this oil so you guys can see how it look, the color after it's been 2 weeks. And look. Right, so they still have about 6 weeks to go. 6 more weeks to go, and it will come. It usually come like that, green. Yeah. So that was my rose oil, how I make my rose oil. Yes, as I say, I usually leave this for 2 months, and sometimes it usually come out like really dark green. Sometimes it usually come out like light green, but it usually still be green. Hope you guys try this. Look up the benefit of it. Different than here, rosemary have a lot of like different benefits. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Don't do my challenge.
Press the notification bell, like this video. Press the notification bell so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. I love you guys so much and appreciate you guys. And thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube journey. And see you guys on my next video. Love, and I'm out. Bye guys.